Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite cookies. These double chocolate pumpkin cookies are a cookie recipe that I make almost every single week. Yes, I'm even talking about year-round. These chocolate cookies are so incredibly soft thanks to the pumpkin. They have a little hint of pumpkin spice and melty chocolate chips in every bite. Let me show you guys how to make them. So yes, it's true, I make these double chocolate pumpkin cookies almost every single week. They are my top cookie of choice of the hundreds of cookie recipes I have on my site. So if you guys are looking for the best, soft, chewy, chocolatey with just a little bit of spice, these are gonna be your new favorite. And these cookies are naturally eggless. I'm using my favorite Farmer's Market organic pumpkin puree as the egg replacer. I love using pumpkin puree in cookies because it not only replaces eggs incredibly well, but it actually makes cookies even softer and more tender and chewier than some cookies with eggs. So let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees and get started. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer, that also works too. Make sure that your butter is super soft, and we're going to add that into the bowl of our mixer. Then we're going to add in our light brown sugar. Now we're going to mix this on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Now we're going to add in our pumpkin puree. Next, we're going to add in our all-purpose flour, then our Dutch processed cocoa powder. Next, we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Make sure you guys are using baking powder and not baking soda here. Then we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then 1/2 teaspoon of ground vanilla bean. If you guys follow me, you know I love using ground vanilla bean, and I don't think that you need to buy vanilla bean paste for anything. But if you guys have vanilla bean paste, that'll also work for this. Vanilla bean paste is just the ground vanilla beans that I just put in here, but it has added sugars and gums. We don't need that stuff in cookies, and so there's no need to buy it. You can just buy the straight ground vanilla beans. I'm gonna link my favorite in the description for you guys. Then we're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Now we're gonna mix this on low until a stiff cookie dough forms. Next, we're gonna add in our chocolate chips and then our pumpkin seeds. Now we're gonna mix on low until combined. So now we're gonna line 2 baking sheets of parchment paper. And now I'm gonna ball the cookies with my hands because if you guys know me, you know I don't really get along with cookie scoops. But if you guys wanna use a cookie scoop, that works too. We're gonna get 12 total cookies, so we're gonna get 6 cookies on each sheet. And if you guys are doing this by hand, a really easy way to do this is to divide the dough in half. That way you know you have half on one sheet and then half on the other sheet. Then if you divide it in half again, then each of those halves gets into thirds and makes it pretty easy to divide your cookies without a scoop. So as you're balling the cookies, you want to form them into a disc that is about 2 inches in diameter. And now these cookies are so good, you guys. I don't share these with anyone. I don't put these in my little free bakery. I don't share these with friends. These I keep all for myself. Now, if you guys want to add a little bit of chocolate chips and pumpkin seeds on top, you can totally do that, but this is optional. So now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the edges look dry and the middle looks set. The best thing about these is they're eggless, so if you like super fudgy chocolate cookies, you can feel free to underbake them as much as you want. So when the cookies come out of the oven, if you want to round them out with a cookie cutter, you can. These ones bake up pretty well, but if you want them perfectly round, this is a great trick. And And then I always like to top these with a little bit of flaky sea salt. This part is optional, so if you don't want this, feel free to skip it. And now we have my most favorite cookie ever. I hope you guys love these double chocolate pumpkin cookies as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. Please tell me how much you guys love these cookies. And if you want more eggless cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. These cookies are so good. They're soft, they're chewy, they're chocolatey, and they have a little sprinkle of sea salt. I could literally eat these cookies every day, and I do.